Today I am discussing about build a garden shed from PVC pipes. In the summer 2020, my mom and I decided to build a garden shed outdoor bench as the trees in our backyard had not grown tall enough to provide shade and always wanted to create some shade to sit in the noon and chill in the summer evenings. As you can see, we started with selecting which each materials is most accessible and easy to use for the rotating system. With the help of this, we can use and the primary obstacle of using PVC pipes was to secure it such that they could hold up in extreme weather. As shown in the images here, our PVC sheet is still holding up after the 3 of baking in the sun and enduring storms. Our rather particular and choice of material, PVC also contributed the way we built in the shed with an arched top rather than a flat one. In the research process, guided by my mom, I also learned a little about more physics and art structures which I am learning on how high school physics classes. Supplies materials is this. The actual dimensions of the shed ending up being 108. I made the prototype in Fusion If 360 in an attempt of the model of the close to the finished projects as possible. The dimensions of the prototype in property and only of reference as the bending of the pipes required some trial and error to fit. Building the foundation to begin measures and mark to 12 points if the ground hammer is the threaded and steel rods and references with the width of the between the rods and the one sided of the system is being accused and the distance between the two sides of the 76.5 material as you can see in the computer screen. In the summer, I decided to build a garden shed for outdoor bench as the trees in our backyard had not grown tall enough to provide shade. We always wanted to create some shade into and to sit in the noon or chill in the summer evenings. We started read in the system and we can also use the system of the and in after all, we always wanted to create some shade to sit in the noon or chill in the evenings. We started with selecting which material is most accessible and easy to work with, seeing after the few spare PVC pipes in our garage. The primary obstacle of using PVC pipes is used to secure in such a way that can hold up in a very easy way and the primary obstacle of using PVC pipes was to secure it such that they hold and baking in the sun and during storms. Our rather particular choice of material PVC also contributed with the why we built the shed with an arched top and rather than a flat one. In the research process guided by my mom, I also learned a little more about the physics of our system and with the help of this I can also build an PVC pipe room. With the help of this making a shade and a flat floor in the safe material and effort effectively cutting down to the PVC pipe and connectors in the system and however all the physics are as it is. Thanks for watching.